Welcome to today's lesson about early America. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the instructions to watch this video. I can see you've already done so the next thing you need to do is come down to read the book to begin learning about how the people of early America lived. To do so, you'll click on this link and then you'll be able to open it. This will take you to a new page where that you can then scroll through and read about age of exploration, travel, goods, Christopher Columbus, etc. Then when you come back to the document, you have the option to watch the video that reads the book for you. After this, you can come down to take a quick quiz and test your knowledge. You'll then continue scrolling until you've gone all the way through, and the very last thing is just for fun. How many words can you make from the word America? Once you've gotten to this point, you know you've reached the end of the activity.